is Miss Anna, and today I will be showing you how to make your own little mini notebook. So for this activity, all you will need is either a white sheet of paper or construction paper. You will need markers, a scissor, or even a pencil if you like. Oh, and crayons as well. Okay, so you will start by folding your paper in half, hot dog style. Make sure you make a good crease. Then you will fold it again once more in half, like this. Once you've done that step, you will open up your paper and you will fold your paper again in half, but this time hamburger style, like this. Once you've made that fold, you will fold it again in half once more, like this. Then you will open up your paper and you will fold it in half again, like you did in the first time. You will then take your scissors and you will make 3 cuts, but remember to do it from the center outwards. So you will do the cuts up to this crease, the middle crease, like this. And it'll just be a small cut, like this. Actually, make sure it reaches all the way to where the crease is. Then you will open up your paper and you will only cut the center part, these 2 parts right here. Okay, and once you've cut your paper, you will take these flaps and fold them outwards like this. We're back. Now that you fold your paper outwards, you will then fold this flap right here in the end inwards towards the middle, and you will do the same for the other side. Okay, once you've done this, you will again fold your paper in half and you will use this middle part that looks like a little diamond, and you will go ahead and do this. And fold your little book like this. And then lastly, you can go ahead and decorate your cover however you like. Remember that you can also use these little notebooks to either practice sketching, writing a story if you like, decorate them however you want. I've also created a Pokemon one, Pikachu, which you could extend by creating different Pokemons of your choice. And remember to visit the website bgcmla.org/eclub to see more fun activities. Thank you.